Talkie babe. To the toughest store.
There's the yellow one.
But you're beautiful though.
Now you're proud. Lord, I need this crowd.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, enlightening, and much interesting video here on the channel. Now, this one is about Zubby Michael, Izendala himself, and Luchy Donuts. Yes, on a movie set, and yes, you know, having fun and working is like one of the beautiful things about life. You know, you no go just kill yourself because you work now. You know, sometimes you just need to forget the stress and everything and just catch cruise on stage. Anyway, it was a very unique one on this particular set, and they were filming and having time together, like wonderful time together, and that's all I'll be sharing with you here. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. In the comment section, don't forget to drop a comment. Izendala is a fun person to be with, and Luchy, on the other hand, well, I think she's one of the an Hollywood actress that are somehow real in human form, and they're not just faking it too much. Anyway, enjoy the video. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section.
To the toughest store.
It's the yellow one.
Okay.
Fine man.
Chocolate sweets.
Oh, you're not a question.
2 seconds, all of the business to last. Okay. Talkie babe. To the toughest store.
There's the yellow one.
But you're beautiful though.
Now you're proud. Lord, I need this crowd. I need this crowd.
Give me sweet. Bro, and you know I don't align with this kind of shit, bro. It's not my kind of shit, bro.
You don't align with
But I have to do it. I don't know, you call it Ijebu or what? Is it Ijebu Gary or what?
Really? You don't know what this is?
I don't know what it is. You told me about
You've
it.
not had Ijebu Gari before.
You mean Ijebu?
Can I give it to someone else?
Hold on.
You don't like it, no? I hear you say you don't like it.
Yo, bro, hold on a sec.
You don't like it?
Hold on a sec first. Hold on a sec. This is not my kind of shit, bro. But
You don't like it, bro?
hold on a sec. This is not my problem is Jay-Z here.
Oh.
I don't know what would Jay-Z say, see me eating this kind of shit. That's the problem.
Can I call Jay-Z right now?
No, let's see. Wait.
Let's do a video call.
But you don't have to eat it. Give it to people that can eat it.
Oh, this shit sucks. Shit sucks. Oh my god. My problem is Jay-Z here.